because I would definitely want to invite you to join me sa aking social media marketing level 3 for only 999 pesos. Again, this is still part of the Bloggy Mary mentorship program. This is not just a training. This is not just any course. It's really a transformative experience. So if ngayon pa lang dito sa free training ko na to, sobrang bongga na yung key takeaways ninyo, imagine that paid training. Okay, may internship pa yun. I will be giving you guys tasks for you to be able to really say na, oh my gosh, ito pala ang mga ginagawa ng isang SMM. Okay, and joining this training is really a unique opportunity that you won't find anywhere else. I'm telling you. Pag ipunan nyo na 999, I want you to show up to this course. I do this on a monthly basis, but there is only a limited slot. Kasi ayoko na magtanggap na maraming masyadong students kasi I provide personalized feedback sa lahat ng mga outputs ninyo. And I can only do so much because I also have my clients. So, and if gusto niyo na mas sulit talaga, then go ahead and enroll sa top VIP kasi all access to. Iba't ibang trainings that already includes my training. Kasi ang isang course sa Bloody Mary Mentorship program is 999. Pero if you choose to be a VIP, lahat yon. So, yung graphic design, yung real estate, yung PPC, yung Amazon VA, and yung sa akin, yung SMM for 1,999 lang. Again, I want you to use my code, okay? Code ko pa rin, ilalagay niyo pa rin yung pangalan ko, Edina, or Edina Pinaka-Juicy. Much better. Okay, and I will see you dun sa training because ang goal natin dito is for you to be able to become a well-rounded social media marketer who is not only skilled, but you are also resilient, motivated, and strategic. Kasi we will be incorporating itong 4 elements. So wag kayong mag-alala if wala ka pang idea kung paano ba maging SMM because we will be starting with mindset and then magmo-motivation tayo and then messaging. Tapos tsaka pa lang tayo proceed sa methods. I will be sharing with you tools and the things that you need to do and magda-dive deeper tayo doon sa life cycle of entire SMM project. Okay? So, again, this is best for those na wala pang experience or even if meron na kayong experience with being an SMM, still go ahead. I invite you to do so. But again, this is where I would like to end our session. Thank you so much for showing up. Thank you for being here until the end. If you want, you can connect with me on social media. Please follow me on TikTok. That is Edina Spark. Ito, nandito yan sa dulo ng lahat ng mga slides ko. Okay? And if you want, you can message me. You can go ahead and enroll now. Kasi again, limited lang po yung mga slots natin. So thank you so much. I hope that I was able to ignite something in you. I was able to shift something within you to really get started, to really start taking action. But if you need further information, then I invite you to join my SMM level 3. That's only for 999 with internship na po yan. Okay? So thank you so much and have